Let's now go to pathology of yin-yang imbalance. Let's discuss treatment principles. For the treatment principles, an understanding of the pathology of imbalances between yin and yang is crucial to determine the correct treatment principle and method. The treatment principle is intimately related not only to the imbalance of yin-yang, but also to the hot-cold and the full-empty nature of the pathology. Put simply, there are only four basic treatment principles. In excess of yang, there's clear heat. In deficiency of yang, you can tonify yang. In excess of yin, expel cold. In deficiency of yin, we nourish yin. In excess of yang and excess of yin, the emphasis is on clearing and expelling pathogenic factors, while in deficiency of yang and deficiency of yin, the emphasis is on tonifying and nourishing the body's qi. It should be noted here that expel cold in excess of yin should be interpreted in a broad sense, including resolving dampness and phlegm, which are also an excess of yin. For treatment principles, the excess of yang, clear heat, the deficiency of yang, stonify yang, excess of yin is to expel cold, deficiency of yin is to nourish yin, the empty cold, expel cold, tonify and warm yang, and the empty heat, clear heat and nourish yin. Moreover, the yin-yang imbalance determines also the method of treatment in acupuncture as follows. In excess of yang, clear heat and do not use moxa. In deficiency of yang, tonify yang and use moxa. In excess of yin, expel cold and use moxa. In deficiency of yin, nourish yin and do not use moxa. The excess of yang is to clear heat and do not use moxa. The deficiency of yang is tonify yang and use moxa. The excess of yin, expel cold and use moxa. Deficiency of yin, nourish yin and do not use moxa. So far, we have discussed the treatment principle in full heat, the excess of yang, and full cold, the excess of yin. But what of empty heat and empty cold? In empty heat, one must simultaneously nourish yin and clear heat and use no moxa. In empty cold, use one must simultaneously tonify and warm yang and expel cold with moxa. Thank you for your attention.